So the next part of our study of sustainability versus unsustainability is you're going to conduct a case study. And what a case study is when a biologist or ecologist takes what they've learned, so like we've learned about carrying capacity, bioaccumulation, and biomagnification, and applies that to a specific example. So what you're going to do is a case study on this area called Tri-Lakes region. So you're going to have a handout that looks like this on the front, and it's going to have 4 or 5 pages of information that you're going to research. So you're going to have 2 packets. One is going to be a handout that looks like this. The other is going to be a handout that looks like this. So every bold area you see, Tri-Lakes advertisement, the investigation information sheet 2, is going to correspond with a page on your handout. So Tri-Lakes advertisement 1. What you're going to do is just look at the page. There's going to be a lot of information on it. You're going to look at the page, see what they're trying to say, and each bold section, like I said, is going to apply to one here. So that first page, Tri-Lakes advertisement, very simply you're just going to answer that question about what's going on. As you get to the next bold part, like you see here, you're going to go back to your packet and you're going to go to the next page. So then the investigation information sheet 2. So you're going to read this article, and again you're going to answer the questions on your packet here. So every time again you get to a new bold area, you know that you're going to go to a different page on your information sheet. And I'm just scrolling through the pages. As you can see, they're not all text. Some of them are charts and graphs that you're going to have to analyze. So you're going to do a specific case study on a specific example. So as you work through your packet here, you have the sheets. Again, they correspond to the bold words. The last thing you're going to do as you go through the sheets and as you work through all the bold sections, which are the different pages on the packet, your final thing, your final piece of evidence, or your final understanding that I'm going to see is your analysis. So you're going to write, once you're done with your case study, you're going to write a 3-paragraph essay explaining your answer to one of the questions you've already researched. As you're working through this, if you have any questions or if any of these directions are unclear, please let me know.